Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about realism in foreign policy. First, let's say realism. Realism is one of the main paradigms of the study of international relations and politics in general. Realism fits into the ideology of traditional conservatism. Realism assumes that people pursue their own interest using all available means, including the use of force. Also, Gustav Courbet is the main proponent of realism. Also, vocabulary of realism. Here we see strange balance, systemic concept of international political anarchy, conflicts, anarchical principle, the state, national interest, and rational behavior. Also, we can divide in type of realism. One of the main is classical realism, neo-realism, and neoclassical realism. Defensive structural realism and offensive structural realism. Also, we want to talk about classical realism. Classical realist theory adopts of pessimistic view of human nature and argues that humans are not inherently benevolent, but instead they are self-interested and act out of fear of aggression. Furthermore, it emphasizes that this human nature is reflected by international politics due of international anarchy. Also, neo-realism, which has dominated much of international relation theory for the last 2 decades, is fundamentally a theory about the strategic interaction of a small number of units in an anarchical ordered realm. Also, here we can compare classical realism and neo-realism. Before an analysis of Morgenthau's and Walt's work can take place, it is necessary to highlight how classical realism and neo-realism is usually depicted in the mainstream literature. According to the orthodox view, realism is concerned with the world as it actually is rather than how it ought to be. In other words, it's an empirical rather than normative paradigm. Thank you for attention. Bye.